Hi beauties, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be testing out this $3.99 palette from Essence Cosmetics. This is called Bronze This Way palette, which is a mini palette. It comes in plastic packaging with a mirror and it has 6 beautiful shades. It comes in 3 matte shades as well as 3 shimmer shades, and here we have the swatches of all the shades. The swatches actually look so impressive. Let's put this palette to the actual test. Now I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids using GERARD Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eyeshadow base in the shade medium. I'm going to apply this all over the lid up to my brow bone. Then I'm going to pick up this mid-tone shade and I'm going to apply this on the outer part of my lid as well as in my crease. I'm going to apply this in a tapping motion first. I'm going to build the color. This shade is actually so pigmented. It is so soft to the touch, but it blends out so beautifully. It's a matte shadow, but still it is so pigmented and it feels so buttery, and at the same time it blends so beautifully. I'm using a big fluffy blending brush to apply this shadow, and the shadow name is called Love Yourself. Then I'm going to deepen up the look, so I'm going to add this deep color from this palette, which is called No Mistakes, and I'm gonna pack this on the outer part of my lid. I'm using a very small dense brush to pack this color, and also I'm taking this to outer part of my crease. This shade is also so pigmented, but at the same time it blends so softly and beautifully, and I'm again going back in with that transition shade one more time. Then I'm gonna pick up this shimmer shadow and I'm gonna pack this all over the lid. Even this shimmer shadow is so pigmented. It feels so buttery to the touch, and it is so sparkly and so beautiful. And I'm gonna apply this on the half of my lid. This shade is called Queen. Then next I'm going to pick up this deep bronze shade and I'm gonna pack this right next to that shimmer shade that we just applied, and this shade is called Perfect Babe. Then I'm going to line my eyes using Paja Beauty eyeliner, and I'm gonna create a winged liner here because I'm planning to go with the falsies for this look. I'm gonna keep this as simple yet pretty, and at the same time, we are creating a soft glam look. Then again I'm going back in with that crease shade and I'm running that along my lower lash line using a very small flat brush. This one is from Elf Cosmetics. It is called eye crease brush, and I'm going to build that color. Then on top of it I'm packing this shimmer shade called Queen, again, which we applied to the half of our lid initially. And then on the very outer part of my lower lash line I'm going to apply that deep bronze shade called Perfect Babe, just to add a little bit of depth on the outer part of the lower lash line. Then for my waterline I'm going in with a ColourPop BFF Creme Gel Liner. This is in the shade Get Lucid, and I'm going to curl my lashes before mascara. And for my mascara I'm using Milk Kush mascara, and I'm going to apply this to the upper lashes. And anyhow I'm going to apply falsies for this look. And for my falsies I'm using my favorite Kiss lashes, false lashes, little black dress, and again I'm going back in with the eyeliner to correct that liner, and also bringing that liner into my inner corners as well. And then next I'm going in with this golden shimmer shadow and applied that in the inner corners of my eyes, and applied some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm using Mattel mascara from Neogen, and then I'm going in with this matte white shadow and applying it on my brow bone. And there we have the finished look, you guys. I can't believe that I created this look with just $3.99 palette. It's a drugstore palette. Honestly, I can't believe, because the shadows blended out so beautifully, just like a dream. They are so soft and buttery to the touch, and matte shadow especially so soft but so pigmented, at the same time so easy to blend. I didn't expect it that the matte shadow quality is really amazing. At the same time, the same with the shimmer metallic shadows, it adds that beautiful perfect shimmer pop on the eyes. And I just can't believe that this palette is only $3.99. It's an absolute beautiful palette with an amazing quality, and I really would like to try more palettes from Essence Cosmetics in this line because the quality is really amazing, and I would definitely recommend you guys to check this palette out. And that completes this review as well as tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked and learned something from this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. I would love to help you guys out, and thank you all so much for your love and support. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys very soon. Bye.